What up, everyone? We're back with another vlog. Today we're gonna be working on the cars. That's my boy Caden.
What up?
And he has a Nissan 370z. We're gonna be installing a lower lip, new lip. What's it called? Lip diffuser?
Front lip.
Front lip. Okay, I was not that bad, not that far off. I'm not a car guy. I got no clue about cars.
Diffuser's back.
Yeah, diffuser's back. That's me, dumb for saying that. And I got my dad's Mustang and his Z that we're gonna be working on. If you see my previous video, we have a cold air intake for this we're gonna be throwing on. This just got a fresh ceramic coat as well. And you can see his Z there, if it focuses, there's his Z.
Yeah, so I got a Spec V front lip going in.
Yeah, we just picked it up from, what's his name? The YouTuber's name that we just met.
Fuck.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Now,
Milan.
what's the YouTube channel?
Milan Mass Trassi.
No, it's Millmast.
Millmast.
Millmast is
Okay,
the guy.
that's his channel.
So he just bought, he's got like 400 subs, and we met him off Facebook. We're gonna install it and pull the cars in and see how that goes.
I know we're drinking, but we drove like 2.5 hours to pick this up, picked it up in the Z, so we're
Food Basics saran wrap.
crammed for space, but we made it work, so I'm gonna try to toss it on. Hopefully
Try and get it out. We'll show you before you put it on. Like it's never actually been on a car.
Paint's beautiful condition, nice carbon fiber on there.
Gorgeous, dude.
Full clear coat on there too, boys.
Yeah.
I test fitted the front lip on here already, and it was kind of tough. So I didn't really know how I wanted to drill up because I wasn't able to see where I was drilling back here. I didn't really know where I drilled, but now that I have it off, I can drill and then put my front lip. I can drill back here and line them up so the fitment will be good. So I was just
you'll be able to measure it.
Yeah, I'll just be able to measure it. It's easier. And if you see whole front bumpers off, it's my first time ever taking it off, which is cool. But all down here, took that off. So I'm excited to test fit it just without the bumper. It should be super easy now to get the fitment, and I'm stoked, super stoked.
I think I need a little bed.
Too many of those?
Oh, could fucking be.
And what we're doing?
10:58 at night, boys. We're still going. So basically right now, we're just finishing up. I tested fitment on this. And now we're drilling bolts just to give it extra support. So
We got one more to do here, and we got one up there already done.
And then I gotta connect my logo again, toss on the front bumper, and then we'll see how it looks. But I'm stoked. I'm excited for it. We finished the job. We're missing a few bolts, but that's just how it goes. So I'm gonna see, maybe tomorrow I can go look for some. I'm not sure what the pitch is. I didn't measure, I just kind of put in the rest, but I'm about to lower it now, see how the final fitment looks. I did have to mess with my logo a little bit, so still working.
Still working good.
That's sick. So now I'm
We're gonna clear out and see the fitment. Yo, there it is, baby. Damn. Oh, she's low, boys. She is low. Now, I'm actually not sure if this is gonna require a tune on this or not, which it wouldn't be the end of the world if it did. My dad doesn't really drive this car often. We're gonna not imagine that this happened. Right there.
chest, they press from the left side. And my demons, they pressed on the inside. Dilated, high and wasted on them blues, yeah. Mix it with that purple heroin, fossil fuels, yeah. That's when I'm a different person. At that point, I'm not a person. At that point, my tongue is serpent. Doors unlocking, third eyes open. Growl with it, fuck it, howl with it. Get wild with it, then crack a smile with it. Do your wrong, look in the mirror like, yeah, I did it.
This is off, right to the throttle body. It's our intake valve, I think. I don't know shit about cars, man.
It's off to the yup.
Forgive me for the minor light. Let's not working in an underground oil mine. This is the filter we're running. Came with it. Also bought an extra one. These are the non-sprayable ones for the dry filters. So my dad's not gonna have to worry about maintaining them. Just probably at the correct interval, we'll change them out and get another one on. I don't know where I set it. Oh, right here. I got a spare one, so I'll put that on maybe next year or however long the correct interval is. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but yeah. And I dropped the clamp for it. To kick them out. I let little baby in my heart, she go and kick my demons out. I know there's perks around, but morphine be that shit that make me growl. When I miss it, I know that's my demons on the fucking prowl. On that road, I won't go down. Entree now. Feel like drugs help my feng shui out. Bad energy.